Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your book of read now. This is book of read now, reading comprehension and language skills. Today we will have to complete work in notebook with the help of this book. Please open page number 45 of lesson George and the Echo. Let's start work. Come back to our work. Okay students, first of all you will have to open notebook of literature. You will have to open notebook of literature. Before starting work we will have to prepare page. We will have to prepare page like this way. CW is written here. CW, but date is today Thursday, 17th December, 2020. Our topic is George and the Echo. You will start coloring from here. The topic is, the name of title is starting from here. Next, exercise number 2. This is our topic and this is our subtopic. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Today you will have to do question answers in notebook of literature. You will have to do remaining question answers. Before starting these question answers, I am going to take a short review by asking short questions. First of all, you will have to tell me, what is an echo? Echo always repeats the words that you speak and that we speak. What are the main points of echo? We can hear echo from hill points, in the forest, and in an empty room. In an empty room. George is a boy who is in the story. The boy who is in the story, his name is George. Who was playing in the forest? This boy George was playing in the forest. He repeated words ho ho. When he was speaking these words ho ho, this word repeated again and again, he was thinking that there is another boy who is trying to tease him. So he went to find this boy but failed. Now students, let's see what happened in this story. After reading this question further, what happened in this story? Question number 7 is, where did George run to? You will have to tell, where did George run to? You are playing in the forest. George was playing in the forest. Where, after finding this boy, when he was failed, George definitely ran back. Which place? George ran to his home or his school. Definitely you will have to select one answer. George ran to his home. When you are tired after playing, you go back to home. So look at here, you can find answer. George ran home. George ran to his home. You can write answer. So George ran to his home. Question number 8 is, listen question number 8 carefully and try to find answer of question number 8 that is written here. What did he tell to his mother when he came back to home? What did he tell? What did he mean? George tells to his mother. George told to his mother. George told about the whole situation to his mother. So you will write simply George. You will write here. He, tell is here. You will write here told. He told the bad boy. You can find answer from here. George ran home and told his mother, a bad boy in the forest. Look at here. George told his home, told his mother, a bad boy in the forest. You can write answer. What will you write? He told his mother about a bad boy. He, T-O-L-D, told, he, you will write it, he, tell is here, told, he told to his mother about, A-B-O-U-T, about a, you will write here, a, B-A-D, bad, B-O-Y, boy. Okay students, next question number 9 is, what did his mother tell after listening to this boy, after listening to his son, after listening to George? What did the mother tell him? You will write answer, his mother. You will write answer from his mother. She, you will write here, she told him. His mother mean, we are talking about she, so you will write here, she told him, T-O-L-D, told, H-I-M. She told him that he himself was the bad boy. You are saying that his mother said, you yourself were the bad boy. So you will write here, she told him that he himself was a bad boy. Okay student, question number 10 is, this is last question of this lesson. What does an echo always do? You will write here, echo, you will write answer here, echo always repeats the word you speak. Echo always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, R-E-P-E-A-T-S, repeats the T-H-E, the W-O-R-D-S words, that T-H-E-T, that you, Y-O-U, S-P-E-A-K, speak. Okay students, when this boy will, when this boy will say ho ho again, he will hear his sound again and again. This is an echo. This he will get same result. So we can say echo always repeats the words you speak. Okay students, today you will have to write question number 7, 8 and 9 in notebook of literature. After doing this work, you will have to prepare page like this way. Topic is dictation and you will have to learn these words. First is word. Word is given here, a W-O-R-D, word. Second is R-E, S-O-U-N-D-D, resounded. Resounded. Third is find, and fourth is excited. Okay students, you will have to write these question answers 7, 8 and 9 in, you will have to write question answers 7, 8 and 9 in notebook of literature, and you will have to learn and write these dictation words also. After doing this work, you will have to read page number 46 of lesson George and the Echo. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this work, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.